All right, class, so today we're going to talk about the difference between qualitative and quantitative observations. Before we begin, can anyone give me a quick review of what an observation is? Yes, Aurora.
An observation is something you can observe.
Exactly, something you can observe. So that can either be something that you see or something that you smell or feel. All right, so we're going to start with quantitative observations because this one is pretty straightforward. All right, so does anyone have an idea of what a quantitative observation might be? Yeah.
Something to do with the quantity.
Exactly, something to do with a number, like how many M&Ms you have in your hand, for example, or how much something weighs. So if it has to do with a number, it's a quantitative observation. All right, so the next type of observation is a qualitative observation. All right, does anyone have a guess on what a qualitative observation would be? Aurora.
Something to do with the quality of things, like color or texture maybe?
That's a really good guess. So a qualitative observation has to do with the characteristics of something. So exactly, like how it feels, the texture, what it looks like. So these qualitative observations are things that you can observe with your senses. So like you can touch it, you can feel what it feels like. That's a qualitative observation. All right, so all of you guys have M&Ms. I'd like you to open up your little packages. I'm going to ask you a few questions. Okay, so Francesca.
Yes.
All right, how many red M&Ms do you have?
6.
6. Okay, and what kind of observation is that?
Qualitative, because they're red.
Okay, that's a really good guess, but let's go back to your answer. So I asked you how many red M&Ms there are, and
6.
What did you say?
6.
6, and that's a number, right?
Yeah.
So with that in mind,
It's quantitative.
exactly, nice, good job. All right, let's see, Luke, can you eat a couple of your M&Ms?
Yeah.
Real quick. All right, can you describe how it tastes?
Chocolatey.
Okay, and what kind of observation is this?
Qualitative.
Exactly, good job. All right, so that is all we have for today on observations. And now we're gonna do a little cheer to help you guys remember what the difference is between quantitative and qualitative observations. So all you have to do is repeat after me, all right? All right, okay. Making observations.
Making observations.
Because we love science.
Because we love science.
Counting up my M&Ms.
Counting up my M&Ms.
And eating them too.
And eating them too.
Teacher asks a question.
Teacher asks a question.
How many are blue?
How many are blue?
The answer is a number.
The answer is a number.
Quantitative.
Quantitative.
M&Ms in my hand.
M&Ms in my hand.
So soft and smooth.
So soft and smooth.
Observing characteristics.
Observing characteristics.
Qualitative.
Qualitative.
Yay! All right, so there's your cheer on observations, and I will see you guys all next week.